Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Michi Makes Up. Today we're going to play with green eyeshadows inspired by St. Patty's Day. I did use 3 different palettes to create this look, and that seems really intense, really involved, but sometimes that's just what you do to get the look that you want. If you don't have the same 3 palettes that I do, no worries. It just comes down to using a lighter green versus a darker green, the intensity of that color, the texture of that color. Feel free to use what you have and create your own version, which is what makes makeup really fun. I will see you guys after the tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe, ring the bell, like the video. That really helps me out. And we have a special guest today. Look at that puppy in the background. He's backing out. Beep, 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 beep. Taking a pointed precision brush, I'm going to spray some water on it. And then taking Natasha Denona's gold palette, we're going to dip this brush into the color Python. And we're gonna make sure to coat the brush very thoroughly, and because the brush is wet, there's very little fallout actually. So now we're gonna start here, and then we're gonna draw and go back in for some more color, and we're going to connect this with the top. Then we're going to concentrate on this further out corner than that first initial line we drew here, and we're just going to connect it, and we're going to fill in the color. Let's go ahead and repeat on the other side. I'm going to add some more water to the brush. I'm going to take a baby Q-tip here, and I dipped it into some of this makeup remover because I want to clean up the lines right in the outer corner to make sure they look a little sharper. And it helps with evening it out on both sides. Taking this mini booster Sonia G brush from the Sky Eye set, we're gonna dip it into this bright green here. This is Viseart's Editorial palette number 8. And we're gonna add the color above that cut crease we just created. And we're gonna blend it into the crease color. Any unevenness in the lines you see on either side, that will be cleaned up afterwards. Next, taking this small precision brush here, we're gonna mix 2 colors. This is Pat McGrath's Midnight Sun. We're gonna dip it into this Wicked Envy shade, and we're gonna mix it with the Viseart 8 Editorial Brights palette into this green here. And then we're gonna apply it to outer corners of the eye. Very precisely. Reason why I chose this brush. I am dipping my brush into the darker color first, Wicked Envy first, and then the brighter green. And then for the next step, using the same brush, I'm going to dip it into Taboo and Bronze Eclipse. Get rid of the excess, and we're gonna apply it to the center of the lid, into the last color we used. Next, we'll take this soft shader brush here, and like before, we're going to spray some water on it. And we will dip it into this bright yellow and apply right here. Blend it upwards. And then into the inner corners of the eye, down to this lower part where the lashes are. Now I'm taking the Jumbo Blender to fluff out the color in the crease, so that's more blended out and we're not seeing uneven lines. And I'm going to take care not to blend this cut crease color too much into the center of the lid. I'm more interested in blending that light green color on the crease. So you can see the difference with this blended compared to this side. And we're going to bring out the color further into this area here. I cleaned off the brush from before, sprayed some water on it, and now we're going to dip it into Jubilee. And we're going to apply this color right on top of the cut crease. And then taking the mini booster from before, I did actually off camera add in more of this bright green color here into the crease and closer up to the brow bone, because I just simply wanted more green color in this look. We're going to add some gel liner to the upper lash line.
So
I'm gonna clean up, put some foundation, concealer, and bronzer on, and we'll be back for the finishing touches. Taking the same brush from before, I call this the precision brush, like that pointed precision brush from earlier, but the actual name is Flat Definer. And this is also from Sonia G's Sky Eye Set. We're going to take this brush and dip it into Python. Python was the same color we used to create that cut crease, which is now really blended in. And then we're going to add this as a tight line on the lower lash line. And we're going to connect the color with the outer corners of the eye. And then we're going to bring it all the way to that yellow shadow we used earlier. And I'm going to clean some of this up. And taking a crease brush, we're going to dip it into Taboo. Taboo was the color we used earlier for center of the lid. We mixed it in with Bronze Eclipse. And then we're going to blend this color into the lower lash line. And then taking a small shader brush, we're going to dab it into Astral Solstice here to brighten up the inner corners of the eye and add just a bit of sparkle. And then finally, using a different shader brush from the rest, we're gonna dip it into Skin Show Moon Glow for the brow bone, right at the top here. Before I add some false eyelashes, I'm gonna take a detailed look on both sides to see where there is unevenness. When you have a bright light to look against, it's really obvious, but outside of this bright light, it's actually not that obvious. It looks like everything seems to be blended in, but I can already see right here, one side has more color than the other. So I'm just gonna go in and do some final cleanup. Okay, we're ready to add some lashes. I'll come back after. Thanks for watching until the end. I hope you're inspired to create your own look for the weekend. To recap the palettes used, we have Natasha Denona's Gold Palette, Pat McGrath's Midnight Sun, and how could we forget, last but certainly not least, Viseart's No. 8 Editorial Brights. I will see you guys at my next tutorial. Take care, have a good one.